Hello students, welcome to Vidya Mandir IIT NEET Cell. I am Sandeep Patil. So आज का जो लेक्चर है ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए. आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पेशीज फ्रॉम द पीरियोडिक टेबल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस some questions from isoelectronic species. So first let us define what is isoelectronic species. Here what is the isoelectronic species? Ion or molecules. एखादा ion or molecule which have the same number of electrons. Ions may be different ions, different molecules, but they will be having the same number of electrons. Total sum of those electrons will be the same. Let us see. Now here one important trick we have to remember to judge the radius of an element or atom and the isoelectronic species. For an isoelectronic species, radius is inversely proportional to atomic radius. Here we shall see here atomic number, we will say atomic number. Okay. So radius is inversely proportional to the atomic number. Means suppose 4 isoelectronic species are given. Okay. Those are having the same number of what? Same number of electrons. But the one which has more atomic number, will be having more protons. More protons means more nuclear charge and it will attract more. Atomic size will decrease. So that means जिसका atomic number ज़्यादा है उसका atomic radius कम हो जाएगा. कौन से? Of isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. पीरियोडिक ट्रेंड में हमने क्या देखा था? जैसा एटॉमिक नंबर बढ़ता है साहब, न्यूक्लियर चार्ज बढ़ेगा तो एटॉमिक रेडियस कम हो जाएगा. सो इन आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज ऑल्सो इफ द एटॉमिक नंबर increases, atomic radius decreases. Let us see. Here I have given you the example of, see here, first example, nitride ion N3 minus O minus 2 F minus Ne. So what is the atomic number of oxygen? Oxygen Z, atomic number of oxygen is 8. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. Fluorine 9. Neon 10. 11, 12, 13. So these are the atomic number. जो atomic number होता है ना, atomic number is nothing but it is equal to the number of protons. Atomic number is equal to the number of protons. Here you could see the atomic number is 7 here. So when the atomic number is 7, the number of protons is 7. Atomic number 8, the number of protons is 8. Atomic number is 9, the number of protons is 9. Same. जितना एटॉमिक नंबर होगा उतना न्यूक्लियर चार्ज. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स सेम, 10, 11, 12, 13 सेम. बट जितने प्रोटॉन उतने ही इलेक्ट्रॉन. So 7 electrons will be there, but extra 3 electrons are there. So 7 plus 3, how much? 10 electrons are there. Here's 8 plus 2, again 10 electrons are there. 9, proton 9, electron 9, again 1 electron here it has taken. अजून एक electron घेतलेला आहे. So it is 10 electron. Again neon already 10 electron, no charge on it, 10 electron. So this is also 10 electron. Right? Sodium atomic number 11. number of electrons 11, but it has lost one electron. Total electron किती झाले? 10 electron. So 10 electron. Mg atomic number is 12. Total electrons in Mg, neutral Mg atom, charge नसलेला Mg atom, how many? 12 electrons. But 2 electrons it has given, Mg plus plus झालेला आहे. So it is again 10 electrons. 10 electrons. बघा. Now tell me from this which has the highest atomic radius. Use this formula. So atomic number जिसका कम होगा उसका atomic radius ज्यादा. Okay, atomic number कम, atomic radius inversely proportional ना. So atomic number इसका कम है, तो atomic radius इसका ज्यादा है. So like this it will be. So the lowest atomic radius will be Al3 plus, because it has got the highest nuclear charge, highest number of protons. So this is about the isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species, isn't it? So another example we will take in this category. Another example. Let us see. Another second example I will take for this. Okay, second example. What is that second example? Okay, second example, phosphorus लेंगे. Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, atomic number 15, 16, 17. क्लोरीन के बाद न्यूट्रल आता है argon, neutral आता है argon. Then after that 19 is potassium. Okay, then after potassium you have calcium 20, and after that scandium 21. So these are the atomic numbers, isn't it? So I will write directly the electrons. How many electrons has? So I will take P minus 3, S minus 2. So already 15 electrons are there. 15 proton, 15 electron. So how many electron? 15 plus 3. Minus 3 है ना? Minus 3 means again addition 3 electrons will be there. So this is total 18 electrons. ये देखो सब 16 again minus 2. 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2 means 16 में से minus 2 नहीं करेगा. Already 16 electrons are there. Again extra 2 electrons will be there. So 18 electrons. Here Cl minus. Cl minus how many? Cl 17 electrons. Again 1 minus, that is 18 electrons. Argon is a inert gas. So 18 electrons, no doubt 18 electrons. Potassium, atomic number 19. So number of electrons will be 19, but it has lost one electron. K plus if it is 18 electron. Ca plus plus 18 electron. Scandium 21. It has lost suppose 3 electrons. From 21 you lose 3 electrons. So 18 electrons. Now you have to tell me. Which will be having the highest atomic radius and which will be having the lowest. Now all are isoelectronic species, and for an isoelectronic species जिसका atomic number कम है उसका atomic radius ज़्यादा आएगा. Atomic number इसका कम है, so ये सबसे ज़्यादा like this. Lowest will be a scandium plus 3, isn't it? Yes. This we saw about isoelectronic species. Now, some examples which are asked in the previous year's question papers. JEE Main, AIEEE, okay, All India Engineering Entrance पूर्वी असायचा तो AIEEE, and again nowadays NEET. What are the some very important examples? Let us see here. I have brought you the examples here. The first example we will be solving. Which of the following contains isoelectronic species? The first question, isoelectronic species का question. आपके सामने मैं ला रहा हूं आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पेशीज. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पेशीज? सो ये क्वेश्चन है साहब जेई मेन 2017 का. सो व्हाट आर दोस? हियर ए O minus 2 F minus and then Na plus Mg plus 2. This is the first example. Then second one, so second one I will take here B option is O minus F minus N2, so Mg plus 2 again. C option I will write O minus 2 F minus Na again Mg plus 2. So next one, there is D option. We'll write O minus F minus Na plus and Mg plus 2. So from this I have to identify the isoelectronic species. Let us see. Now here, let us check out the first one. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. It has taken 2 electrons. 8, again 2 electrons, 10 electrons. What is the atomic number of fluorine? 9. It has taken 1 electron. That means 10 electrons. Sodium, atomic number 11. Electrons 11. It has lost 1 electron. Therefore 10 electrons. Mg 12 electrons, but it has lost 2 electrons. Mg plus 2 10 electrons. So all these species, अरे पहला ही ऑप्शन जो है ना वो आंसर है. So all these species have got 10 electrons. Therefore this species is a isoelectronic species. This species is an isoelectronic species. Yes. Now next example I will take what I have brought. Second, the same question. Isoelectronic species. They have asked you the isoelectronic species, and the question is from AIEEE 2006. AI All India Engineering Entrance Examination 2006. So option A, that is C2 2 minus O2 minus CONO. This is the first example. B option is sir Cn minus N2 O2 2 minus and then CO3 2 minus. C option है आपके सामने NO plus C2 2 minus Cn minus और N2. Lastly D option है N2 O2 minus or NO plus then CO. From this you have to identify. From this you have to identify the isoelectronic species. Okay, देखा आपने? Alright. So let us see. I will tell you directly how to count by telling the right answer. So here let us check for NO plus. क्या होता है? Nitrogen NO plus. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. So 7 in the sense 7 electrons. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. So that means 8 electrons. Alright, but it has lost 1 electron. Plus charge आएगा ना, it has lost 1 electron, you have to say. So lost 1 electron means minus 1. कितना हो गया? 7 plus 8 is 15 minus 1, 14 electrons. Likewise, C2, एक कार्बन 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दो कार्बन 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 12 again 2 electrons are there. That means it is C2, ये जो C2 2 minus है ना, 6 plus 6 plus again 2, that is the 14 electrons. Because minus charge is there, therefore 2 electrons have been added. ठीक है. So Cn minus carbon 6 electrons, nitrogen 7 electrons, again additional 1 electron, that is 14 electrons. Nitrogen N 7, again nitrogen 7, 14 electrons. That means this is the answer. So isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. Are you getting this? Yes. Now next one. Next question. Next selected question. Few questions I have selected for you. The next selected question is very interesting. Very interesting. उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? आयनिक, आयन का रेडियस, आयनिक रेडियस इन एंगस्ट्रॉम। एंगस्ट्रॉम में दिया है आयोनिक रेडियस ऑफ n-3, then O-2, then F-। ओके, ये पूछा है जेईई मेन 2015 में। जेईई मेन 2015 they have asked you this question. जेईई मेन 2015. So ionic radius in angstrom, तो ये तो बाहर नहीं कर सकते ना सब, लेकिन वो देंगे। देने के बाद आपको देखना है किसका ज्यादा और कम है, by operating the trick, that is isoelectronic species का trick. Let us see. So first option I am writing, A is respectively N3 minus 1.36, 1.40, 1.71, ये पहला ऑप्शन है। B ऑप्शन is 1.36, 1.71 and 1.40 angstrom. C option is 1.71, 1.40 and 1.36. D option is sir D option क्या है? D option is 1.71, 1.36 and 1.40. बताओ अभी आयोनिक रेडियस किसका कितना है? ये बाहर करके तो नहीं रख सकते ना, लेकिन you can operate by isoelectronic species. Let us say you know that atomic number of nitrogen is 7. This is 8, this is 9. और जिसका सब एटॉमिक नंबर कम होता है उसका एटॉमिक रेडियस ज्यादा, क्योंकि ये ऑल आर आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉन, ऑलरेडी हैज टोल्ड आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज, नो डाउट। आयोनिक रेडियस ऑल आर आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक। कैसे? 7 एटॉमिक नंबर है तो 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेंगे, उसमें और 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन जुड़ गए, टोटल 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन। दिस इज ऑल्सो 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन। ऑल आर आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज, तो एटॉमिक नंबर इसका कम है तो इसका ज्यादा रहेगा। क्या? एटॉमिक रेडियस 1.7, फिर इसका, फिर इसका। सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर। आर यू फॉलोइंग? यस, वेरी नाइस। ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, next part. There is a homework part for you. Homework part. This which is the homework here? Question is B plus 2 is isoelectronic with. B plus 2 is isoelectronic with. B plus 2 is isoelectronic with. ये नीट 2014 है। B plus 2 is isoelectronic with A H plus, B ऑप्शन है, Li plus, C ऑप्शन है, Na plus और D सब Mg plus plus. Okay, there are few examples again which are very similar to this, so please pay attention properly and solve this question. And comment box में लिखना है आपको आंसर्स। एंड देन नेक्स्ट ट्रेंड, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी। नेक्स्ट ट्रेंड, अभी एटॉमिक रेडियस ये ट्रेंड हमने देखा, नेक्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी। इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, कीप वॉचिंग, कीप एंजॉयिंग केमिस्ट्री।